Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a canvas painting kit. First, let's get everything ready. Carefully unpack all the items from your new kit. You'll find a canvas, several brushes, a set of paints, and a mixing palette. Arrange these on a clean, flat workspace. Also, grab a cup of fresh water for rinsing your brushes and some paper towels for drying them. This initial setup ensures a smooth and enjoyable painting experience. Now, let's prepare your canvas and paints. If your canvas isn't pre-primed, apply a thin, even layer of gesso. This creates a smoother surface for your paint to adhere to. Next, squeeze small, pea-sized amounts of your chosen paint colors onto your palette. Remember, you can always add more. Experiment with mixing different colors to create unique hues and shades for your masterpiece. With your canvas and paints ready, it's time to start painting. Hold your brush comfortably, like a pencil, and begin with light pressure for your initial strokes. Apply paint in thin, even layers. This helps prevent cracking and allows for better blending. Don't be afraid to experiment with different brush sizes and types. Try broad strokes for backgrounds and fine tips for intricate details to add depth and texture. Once your painting is complete, allow it to dry fully. This usually takes at least 24 hours, depending on the paint thickness. While it dries, clean your brushes immediately. Rinse them with water, then gently wash with mild soap until all paint is removed. Reshape the bristles and let them air dry. Proper cleaning and storage of your tools will keep them in excellent condition for many future artistic endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.